open my eyes, yeah, it was only just a dream. So I traveled back down that road. When she come back, no one knows. I realized, yeah, it was only just a dream. I was at the top and now it's like I'm in the basement. Number one spot, now she found her a replacement. I swear now I can't take it, knowing somebody's got my baby. And now you ain't around, baby, I can't think. I should've put it down, should've got that ring, cause I can still feel it in the air. See a pretty face, run my fingers through her hair. My love, my life, my shawty, my wife. She left me, I'm tight. Don't do it, just ain't right. I was thinking about we gon' open my eyes. Trying to get my usher on, but I can't let it burn. And I just hope she know that she the only one I yearn for. More and more I miss her, when will I learn? Didn't give her all my love, I guess now I got my payback. Now I'm in the club thinking all about my baby. Hey, she was so easy to love, but wait, I guess that love wasn't enough. I'm going through it every time that I'm alone, and now I'm wishing she picked up the phone. But she made the decision that she wanted to move on, cause I was wrong. And I was thinking about, ever love somebody, put your hands up. If you ever love somebody, put your hands up. And now they down and you wish you could give them everything, everything. So if you ever love somebody, put your hands up. If you ever love somebody, put your hands up. And now they down and you wish you could give them everything. I was thinking about us, we gon' be open my eyes. It was only just a dream. So we travel back on that road. You come back, no one knows. I realized that it was only just a dream. I was thinking about me, about us, we gon' be open my eyes. It was only just a dream. So we travel back on that road. You come back, no one knows. I realized that it was only just a dream.
A long life can pass by many milestones. My own is no exception.
It has always been easy to hate and destroy. To build and to cherish is much more difficult.
I declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service and to the service of our great imperial family to which we all belong. It's understandable that we sometimes think the world's problems are so big that we can do little to help. On our own, we cannot end wars or wipe out injustice, but the cumulative impact of thousands of small acts of goodness can be bigger than we imagine. It's worth remembering that it is often the small steps, not the giant leaps, that bring about the most lasting change. When people in 53 years from now look back on us, they will doubtless view many of our practices as old-fashioned. But it is my hope that when judged by future generations, our sincerity, our willingness to take a lead, and our determination to do the right thing will stand the test of time. We will succeed, and that success will belong to every one of us. We should take comfort that while we may have more still to endure, better days will return. We will be with our friends again. We will be with our families again. We will meet again.
Rama, ga, ga, ooh la la. I want you right and I want you What's your bad romance?
Mind the gap.
Made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. Talk to me, I need to hear you. I need you. Fall for me, I wanna know you feel how I feel for you, know. For you, baby, I was numb, tryna pain by pouring up. Speeding fast on the ride, never wanna get caught up. Now you're the one that I'm calling, so I gotta never forget. Don't think I'm just talking, I think I might go all in. No exceptions, girl, I need ya. Yeah, I need it, you need it, you need it, you the most. Now I'm hurting, you ain't ghost. Promise I'm done with the last one I thought I loved, cause she ain't my last name.
Мамо, Стефанія, розквітає поле, а вона сивіє. Заспівай мені, мамо, колискову, хочу ще почути твоє рідне слово. Стефанія, мамо, Стефанія, розквітає поле, а вона сивіє. Заспівай мені, мамо, колискову, хочу ще почути твоє рідне слово. Стефанія, мамо, Стефанія, розквітає поле, а вона сивіє. Заспівай мені, мамо, колискову, хочу ще почути твоє рідне слово. Стефанія, мамо, Стефанія, розквітає поле, а вона сивіє. Заспівай мені, мамо, колискову, хочу ще почути твоє рідне слово.